How to sign in to JD Sports on PC. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sign in to JD Sports on PC. So let's jump to the process. First, open any web browser available on your PC. Here I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar, then type in www.global.jdsports.com, then press on enter. With this, you will be taken to official website of JD Sports. Now here you can see My Account option present at the top. Click on My Account. Then here you can see Login. Now to log in, you need to first click on Email Address box. Then enter your email address. After this, click on your password box and enter the correct password of your account. Now if you do not remember your password, click on Forgotten your password. Similarly, after entering your login details, click on Sign In. With this, now you'll be able to log in to JD Sports account. Now here you can see my JD Sports account has been logged in. And this is how you simply sign in to JD Sports account on PC. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.